Percy puffed grumpily into
Walmart. What the fuck is this rubbish?
I feel put upon, he complained to Thomas.
I'm Great Western.
Thomas was
Singing in the rain.
Thomas was confused. No upon put no put upon with too much work. Put upon. What has Percy's been put upon? Poor old Percy. Percy is being put. He collected flour from the foundry, metal from the yards, coal from the mills, fuel from the quarries, and rock from the depot. Then he delivered it all to the docks.
You know what? I'm taking this. I'm taking this.
A few moments later.
Fuck you. Suck my balls.
We want Thomas to fuck. What? Who's this dirty little engine?
What did you call me?
Dirty little engine.
Don't call me Dirty Percy!
We can see what's been.
Good! Fuck 'em!
Percy, you've done a bad day's work. Now get fucked. The trucks are stuck on the fucking mechanism. All they need is a hard shove.
Kinky.
Percy charged.
Not good enough.
Percy charged.
No, wait! Wait!
Get out of here fast! The asshole's collapsing! There's a glass barrier by the track! That might save us! The avalanche has buried an engine and its crew. We must help them immediately. Immediately.
Now, not after breakfast, not after CSI. Now!
Driver told me how brave you were, Percy, and I'm ashamed of you. As a reward, you will be reviewed by paying tax. Oh, fuck you, sir. Percy's green coat glistened in the sun.
My eyes!
I'm sorry we fucked you, Percy, said Thomas. You were certainly put upon
My cock.
what?
When?
Now!
Hey!